Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your computer period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Wait, open your computer book, page number 23. So this is our page number 23, bete, and this is a continuation of our chapter 3, more about Windows 7. Today our first topic is creating a new folder. Write today's date and day over here. To create a new folder, follow these steps. Number 1. In the left pane of the Windows Explorer screen, click the drive or the folder in which a new folder is to be created. Number 2. Click New Folder, figure 3.12. This is figure 3.12. Here it is written creating a new folder by clicking New Folder. In the left pane, what we have done, we have clicked on drive, for example E, and the folder, and after that the new folder. Okay, this is the new folder option, this one, right? Here you can see the new folder. Now, or in the right pane of the Windows Explorer screen, right-click the folder in which a new folder is to be created. A context menu opens. Bring the pointer to the new option. Click the folder option, figure 3.13. This is the second way, bete, that here in the right pane, you will click on in the folder in which you want to create a new folder, and after that this context menu appears, and here you will click on the folder option. You can see there are many options like folder, shortcut, Microsoft Office, Flash, for example, etc. But here we have to click on the folder option, right? Now, number 3, a new folder will appear in the right pane of the screen, figure 3.14. Here you can see the new folder is created, right? You will see the name highlighted in the name box to help you change it to what you prefer. For example, if you want to name the folder Science Project, type Science Project in the box and press enter. You will find that a folder named Science Project has been created in the right pane of the Windows Explorer screen, figure 3.15. So here you can see that the science project folder is created. Here it was the new folder, and here you have given it a name. Alright, so it is folder now named science project. So the next topic is renaming a file or folder. Renaming means that you want to change the name of a file or folder. To rename a file or a folder, follow these steps. Number 1. In the right pane, click the file or the folder you want to rename. You do not need to open it. Okay, just do one click on that file or folder which you want to rename. You don't have to open it. Number 2, click organize or rename. For example, 3.16. Here it is 3.16, rename option in the organize menu. Alright, when you have clicked on the file or the folder to which you want to rename, then this option will be appeared, and here you have to, this is the organize menu, and here the rename option is given. You will click it and then you will write the name. Or the second method is that right click the file or folder you want to rename and click rename in the context menu that appears. Number 3, type the new name English Project in the highlighted area and press enter. You will notice that the name of the folder has changed, figure 3.17. This is figure 3.17 beta, and here folder name changed to English Project from Science Project. Here earlier we have given its name Science Project. Now we want to rename it as English Project. Alright. So here is a top tip. A file name can contain up to 255 characters including spaces, but it cannot contain any of these characters. These characters cannot be included in the file name, alright, although it can contain up to 255 characters including the spaces. Now fast forward, rename file or folder, just F2. You will just press F2, then you can rename the file or a folder. Okay, now come to page number 25. So now we are on page number 25. Here topic is copying and moving a file or folder. Copying a file or folder is placing it in another location, destination without removing it from its original location source. Okay, copy means to make it double, उसकी कॉपी कर देना. कॉपी पर एक जगह पर वो सेफ है, वहाँ से आपने क्लिक करके उसको किसी और जगह पर भी पेस्ट कर दिया. तो कॉपी का मतलब क्या हो गया कि फाइल और फोल्डर हमारे पास हमारे कंप्यूटर में मोर देन वन प्लेस मौजूद है. Moving a file or a folder is shifting it from its original location source to another location destination. And moving a file means क्या है कि हमने जो फाइल और फोल्डर एक जगह पर था वहाँ से उठा के हम उसको दूसरी जगह पे ले गए, उसको मूव कर दिया, उसे शिफ्ट करवा दिया. इस वक्त भी हमारे पास फाइल और फोल्डर एक ही जगह पर मौजूद है, लेकिन उसकी जगह कंप्यूटर में चेंज हो गई है. जो ओरिजिनल जगह थी उसको हमने सोर्स कहा था और जो हम न्यू जगह पे मूव कर गए उसको हमने डेस्टिनेशन कहा है. This is the difference between copying and moving. Now there are various ways of copying or moving a file or folder which are discussed here. Using the organize menu. Okay, first we will copy or move the file or folder using the organize menu. To copy, move a file or a folder, do the following. Number 1, click the file or the folder to be copied. Number 2, click organize, then copy or cut. To copy or move the file or the folder, figure 3.18. Here copy or cut option in the organize menu. जब आपने फाइल और फोल्डर पे क्लिक कर दिया विच यू वांट टू कॉपी, तो उसके बाद दिस ऑर्गेनाइज मेन्यू विल बी ओपन और यहाँ पर आपके पास कट ऑप्शन भी है और कॉपी ऑप्शन भी है. इफ़ यू वांट टू कॉपी दैट फाइल और फोल्डर यू विल क्लिक ऑन कॉपी ऑप्शन. इफ़ यू वांट टू मूव दैट फाइल और फोल्डर you will press the cut option. Okay, or right click the file or folder you want to copy or cut and select copy or cut in the context menu. This is the other way which you can do. Now click the destination folder where the file or the folder is to be copied or moved. Click organize or paste for figure 3.19. This is figure 3.19. Now you will go, after that you will go to that place where you want to paste that file. So here when you will click, the organize menu will appear and here you have to press the paste option. Okay, you will see the paste option here and you will click on paste option. All right, or the second method is that right click the destination folder and select paste. You will find the file or folder copied or moved to the destination folder. Simply you will find that file or folder in your new place. Okay, either you are copying it or either you are moving it. Now fast forward is given. If you want to copy a file or folder, you will just click Ctrl+C. If you want to cut a file or folder, you will click Ctrl+X. If you want to paste that file or folder, you will press Ctrl+V. ठीक है, जहाँ पे आपको उसको पेस्ट करवाना है वहाँ जाके आप Ctrl+V प्रेस करेंगे तो वो फाइल और फोल्डर क्या हो जाएगा, डायरेक्टली पेस्ट हो जाएगा. आपको ऑर्गेनाइज मेन्यू खोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Alright bete, I hope you understood it. Now turn the page. Here a practice time is given. You have to read the question, what you have to do, and then the solution. And then you will do it in your computer and send us a picture. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.